Morning to all. Myself, Praful Ranjan, Assistant Professor, EC Department from THDC, Institute of Hydropower, Engineering and Technology. So today's lecture, I will be covering this section of sequential logic circuit design. In this lecture, we have covered like a counter design, how to design a counter, and give the example of first counter designs, in the second counter design, and other also sequential circuit design. So we have to cover this technique for sequential circuit design. So we can start. In sequential circuit design, it is a generally combinational circuit and a feedback circuit. So in this sequential circuit design, we have a design a counter using JK flip-flop. So we have to use JK flip using JK flip-flop. Before we have designing certain things, we have to concluding this. Before concluding, with certain three things are given. First is excitation table, the input combination and output combination. So first of all, we have to cover a JK flip-flop. In JK flip-flop, earlier we have covering the input section. Q1 is the present state and Q1 plus 1 is the next state. In present state, 0, 0 and 0, JK has the value of Q. So in this, you have covered all the things in JK flip-flop and excitation table. In this excitation table, we have covered present state 0, next state, what is the value of JK. So once again, we have repeat this. The present state 0, next state 0 in this condition, and present state 0 and next state is in this condition. Both condition JK is 0, 0 and 0, 1. So what is the excitation table? J no change, K is the change. So we have to go to 0 and D. When present state 0 and next state 1, so here the state present state 0 and next state 1, this is the 1 state 1 0 and this is the 1 state. So 1 0 and 1 1. So what's the excitation table? 1 and D. Okay, next Q1 and Q1 plus 1, present state 1, next state 0, present state 1, next state 0, and present state 1 and next state 0. The condition is 0 1 and 1 1. So the excitation table D and 1, and present state 1, next state 1, present state 1 and next state 1, we have condition 1 to 1 and 1 to 1. So then JK 0 0 and 1 0. So D and 0. This is the all about excitation table. So after that, we have to start for this sequential circuit design. First of all, we have the current state output, next state output, JK input for each flip-flop. We have the summarized value on this direct how to design. So we have to go to sequential circuit design directly. So present state either 0 ABC value and next state ABC value. It means 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 0. Here this counter is 3-bit counter only. 3-bit counter, it means 0 to 7 and 7 goes to again to 0. So what is the, it is made by JK flip-flop. Using JK flip-flop, we have to cover A present state and next state. We have to summarize 0 to 0, if B 0 to 0 and C 0 to 1. So how to flip-flop? There is a 3-bit, so 3-bit JK flip-flop we are using. 3 JK flip-flop are using JKV, JBKV and JCKC. So first we have to cover first flip-flop. First flip-flop, it means that present state A and next state A. It means that 0 0 then what is the excitation table value of JK? 0D. If B0, next state B0, again 0D. When C, present state 0, next state 1, what is the excitation table value? 1D. Another thing, 0 to 0, 0D, 0 to 1, 1D, 1 to 0 in excitation table D1. So all the present state and next state we have to convert in the excitation according to the excitation table JK flip-flop input sections. So all the covers 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, and 7 we have to return back to 0. So 1 to 0, 1 to 0, and 1 to 0. So what is the excitation table? D1, D1, D1. So this is the designing table of the binary counter example. After that, we have to solve K-map solution for JA only, KA only, JB only, KB only, JC only, and KC only. We have to design all single individual for J, K-map solving for K, K-map solving JB, KB, JC, KC respectively. So here we have to design J. Suppose that JA. So input section are A, B, C. Present input section A, B, C. Then in according to A, B, C, we have to fill what is the value of JA value. JA value in 0, 0, 0, 0. You can here in 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So we have to fill all JA value according to the input sections. So we have to fill there and we have to prepare how much pair, how much quad, how much octet will well. Only one pair is given. So what is the equation? J equal to BC. Another thing, next KA. K again we have to fill according to the input section ABC. So again one pair KA equal to BC. Next we have to design for JB section. In JB section we have to all the input section here is there and we have to fill JB value. So then again JB value we have to fill one quad is there. So then again equation value is JB equal to C. Then ABC is the input section for KB we have to fill there. Then again quad is there KB equal to C. Again JC we have to fill for this value JC value for input section ABC is present state and according as फिर KC is also we have to put according to the ABC value. So JC is 1 octet is given then JC is equal to 1 and KC is also equal to 1. This is the K-map equation. Then how to design counter. So basically we have to design counter from this 3 flip-flop with a given equation J equal to BC. That the equation we have to given. But we have tried to do in whiteboard. So we have 3 flip-flop there. We have to draw 3 flip-flop. 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 flip-flop, 3 input sections. So we have mentioned here. JA, I think written in KA, Q, and Q dash. Here JB, KB, Q, and Q dash. JC, KC, Q and Q dash. So all the three flip-flop and the clock pulse is also given. So we have to draw here in the clock pulse. All are clock pulse. All are clock pulse. So we have mentioned CLK, CLK, CLK. What is the equation? JA equal to BC. So three inputs section ABC is the present input. So we have to mention here A, B, and C. Three input section ABC present state is there. So what is the input section at JA? In JA condition is there JA input section BC value, B and C. So we can draw here for BC input section also. So we have to draw either B coming from that side, C coming from that side, and this goes to JA. Again, what is the value of KA? In KA section, again, the value is BC. So we have to, it's better we have to combine from there. JK. Again, JB and KB is C. JB and KB is C. So we have to draw JB directly to C and KB is also directly to C. And last, JC and KC. JC and KC in 1 or high. So that is the equation which I have solved. Output section is the A present state ABC and next state ABC. So we have to share final presentation. This is the A, B, C is the present state. 3 flip-flop, 1 flip-flop, second flip-flop, third flip-flop. Clock pulse is given. All clock pulse we have to connect each other. In JCKC, I, it means 1. In JVKB, it goes to B, it goes to C, then C, and JAKA is equal to BC. So B and C we have to combine with gate and goes to JAK. This is the synchronous counter design circuit. That's the complete part of designing circuit. Final circuit of sequential circuit for counter 3-bit. Suppose that another counter is designed like as that counting 0 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 6, 6 to 0. It means that 0 start from 0 goes to 3,